Hello there, welcome back. So today I just got my Triple D Diva box in the mail and I have decided to do another unboxing video. So let me just open the bubble mailer real quick, and then when you open it, you will see the original Diva box, which is the pink one. So this month's box retailed for $45 and it was sold out in just like a couple of minutes again. So when you open it, this is what you will be getting. So first is this 3D stamping. I am really excited about this one, and a lot of you are requesting a video tutorial of this, so I will be doing it later. So the material of this one is silicone, and I'm not sure if you can actually see it, but the designs are embossed. So you will also be getting the peacock powder. It is the same peacock powder that is included in the February box, but that one was the purple. So almost every month, Diva box has a guest brand, and this month is from Chaos Concept. And this one is their cute bottle holder. I love it. I really love this one. Look at the design. It is super gorgeous. And yeah, I'm so excited to use it on my videos. And you will also be getting this one. I believe this is what you use for the 3D stamping. So I am just trying to open it, and yeah, I didn't open it fully because it is full and I might spill it. And you will also be getting this one. It's a dual-ended brush, and the other side is a spatula or slicer. It says there brush and slice. I actually love the shape of the spatula because it is not a common spatula that we get with other brushes. So moving on to the dip powders. So for this month's box, it comes with 4 colors as usual, and I love the colors of this one. So this one is Diva Dip 16, and then Diva Dip 17 is like a periwinkle blue, and this one is the Flakes, and the Moonlight is the glow. It is white but it glows blue in the dark. So you will be seeing the colors when I use it later. That's pretty much it. This is what's included in this month's Diva box. So I am now going to start with the application. So I already applied the peel base, and the one that I used today is from MANIBOSS, and then I used 2 full coats of this, and then I let it dry each layer. So now we will start with the white color. This one is the Moonlight. So this one is a glow dip powder, and I will be applying this one on my pointer and ring finger. So I am just going to apply dip base and then dip as usual in the dip powder. So I will be doing 3 layers of the white color on my pointer and ring finger. So I'm just going to let you guys watch, and I will be back. So I will be doing an ombre of the Diva Dip 16 and 17 on my pinky and thumb. So after applying all the solid colors, let's now move on to the flakes. So I will be applying this one on my middle finger. So after this, I am just going to clear encapsulate all the colors and the flakes in a clear, and it's now time to activate. So I will just let this dry and do all my filing and shaping off gum, and this is how it looks like. Now let's move on to the most exciting part, the 3D stamping. So I will be stamping this one on my ring and pointer finger. So let's begin. So I will be using this chrome powder from February Diva box, so it will look better than the green one that came in this month's box. So yeah, if you have it, you can use this one. So I am just going to prepare everything. So this one is the brush size side, and then this one is the spatula. So I just applied gel base and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I am now getting some of this gel. I actually don't know how to call this one, but it is not sticky. It's like a clay or a rubber clay, if that makes sense, but it's not sticky, and it's actually spreadable. You can also use your hands to press it, but I am just using the spatula. So I am just trying to spread it also using the brush. So this brush is just a plain brush. I didn't apply any slip solution here or alcohol. I am just using this brush to press it down. And then I just decided to use my hand instead, and I think it looks a lot better with using your finger to press it down. And then I am just putting the purple chrome in the mold, or in this silicone mold. I am just focusing the powder on the half part of the butterfly, because the other half part will be for my pointer finger. So make sure to apply a decent amount of chrome powder inside the mold, and make sure that you properly spread it. Don't worry about the chromes in the side. You can just wipe it off using Q-tips with some alcohol. So I want to wipe it off so that it won't get on my nails later. So I am now going to press it on my nail. So I did not do anything about the gel or the sticky gel a while ago. I just applied it on my nail and then stamp it. You don't want to cure it first, because you want to apply the stamp first before you do that. So I am just adding some more of the chrome powders and making sure that everything is covered. And then I am now start with my cleanup. So I am going to use the spatula to scrape the excess like gel that I put a while ago, since it didn't cover all my nail. If you're doing a full 3D stamping on the nail, make sure that it is properly covered with the gel. And yeah, so I am just removing the excess gels on the sides, and it's actually not that hard to remove it. It's actually manageable. You can just scrape it off and it will come off easily. And just in case that you messed up with the stamping, you just scrape it and do another set. So this is how easy the gel comes off. So just in case you mess up, you can just remove the whole thing and start all over again. So yeah, I'm now going to clean the sides using a Q-tips with some alcohol. So make sure that you only clean the sides, and be careful with your stamping. Since it is still not cured, the stamping is still soft, so make sure that you don't touch that part, and just clean the sides of your nail. But if you're doing a full design, you don't have to clean the sides already. And now I am using the brush, and I applied some alcohol and just making sure that everything is clean before I cure it in the lamp. And after cleaning, I am now going to put it in the light for about 30 to 60 seconds. And this is how it looks like. So I am just going to do the other nail off cam, and I am going to show you how it looks like. So here it is. It's actually not perfect, but I love it. It's cute. So let me just apply top coat. I will be using this one from Triple D also. It's the Delicate 2-in-1 gel. now I am going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. After curing, you can wipe off the tacky layer or just add another 30 seconds cure time, and it's now time to apply the cuticle oil. This one is from Scales of a Mermaid. And here is the finished product. I am actually loving the look of this. The butterfly on my pointer finger is not that perfect, but it is still cute. So let me know your thoughts in the comment box below, and let me know as well if you were able to grab this month's Diva box. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on my next videos. Bye guys!